Hello guys again and welcome back to another video. Today is a curiosity day. We've got in front of us this hand mixer from KRUPS. This is the Type 328. It is a very old mixer from KRUPS. KRUPS is a company that founded about 175 years ago. Yes, so old. It is making so many small appliances, and one of these appliances is this hand mixer, which came into the market in 1959 and was later found in almost every houses in West Germany. And as my parents was a traveler in West Germany, they did come across at this hand mixer and they purchased it from a store. And now, after so many years of working and giving us all the candies that it can make, this hand mixer, so many years, now it is the end of his life. It's not working so well. We can hear some noises from internals, and I was just thinking, well, we have already replaced this hand mixer with a stand mixer, and I was thinking, why not, let's disassemble it to see the technology that it is inside of this hand mixer that is being manufactured 40 years ago. Oh, nice. And it says made in the Republic of Ireland. Well, maybe it's not so old, this hand mixer. Well, I'm going to open it and see if there is any manufacture date at the internals of this hand mixer. But let's see first if it's working. Yeah, it's bouncing a little bit. Pressing this button, it takes everything out. Let's try it with the other ones. Yeah, it's moving a lot. It doesn't have a steady circle. And I can hear some noises as it's working, it's moving, it's vibrating. Oh, nice. And thank you so much. So many years you have helped us to make some switch. Let's see what we have inside now. Oh, rust in the screw. Okay, that screw has seen better days. Disconnected from electricity. Okay. Ooh. Oh Jesus. Wow. Definitely seen better days, the internals. You're seeing these guys? Yes, definitely you're seeing. A closer look. There are some guys at YouTube, they are making a restoration. Well, what do you think, guys? May I try to restore this hand mixer? We can see here we've got a cornbread, yet all over at the internals. Yeah, and pretty much everything, it is quite dusty. The motor inside, you can see even the carbs are in the end of the days. Let's take this out from here. I think we can do that. Okay. Ooh. Oh mother, what did you do so many years with this mixer? Well guys, that was all about this disassembly of this hand mixer from KRUPS. Now you know how it looks after 25 years. I was expecting to see something like that inside, but this hand mixer, it gave us very good moments and makes our life more sweet when we are making candies. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.